What's good? YouTube. It's a good day. So we are in nature today. Ain't that right, Sydney? Huh? Yep. It feels so good. I really want to take my shirt off, but I can't. But let me show y'all what it look like. Just listen to the birds. When the last time y'all heard the birds chirp? They happy too. They sound like they talking crazy too. We just got out, cuz. Yeah. Y'all still moved over there? Hell yeah. Ricky them still down the block? Hell yeah. You want to do your little squats? Go ahead. Bust a squat out. Go and bust a squat out. You can't do it on camera. You ain't really fit for influencing. Here, do some chin ups right now. Find a branch. For real. Yeah, these one of these nice parks, man. Man, they even got another way up that way.
That'd be nice. Like, what if you own that? You can work out of there every day.
Right. Having an event in that mug too. Hell yeah. Which way you want to go? That left? Yeah, let's go down. So? Pull it out.
No.
Without a doubt.
For real.
Feel good out here. You ain't gonna survive in nature. You gotta scratch butts.
Whatever.
Smack yourself from bugs and stuff like that. Drink water.
Of course you need water. That's it anyway. I say survive.
Now if you ain't got no more water left.
Got water in the car.
In the world, they took them. They took your waters out the car.
You
wanna go that way?
I got another water in.
Nowhere. All right.
Yeah. I can make water.
You said you could make some water. Yeah, you're gonna have to boil some of this creek water over here.
Pee. I can filter my pee.
No, the fuck you can't. That's disgusting. You're gonna get sick.
That's the last resort if you don't have no water. That's filtering your pee takes the toxins out so you don't get sick. That's the point of filtering.
No.
Because your pee is liquid, so you take all the
That's
water
disgusting.
from your pee and you filter it to where you have to do it so many times to where it's clean. But that's the last resort. That's if you don't want to die.
But that's disgusting though. I would never do that.
So you'll just
That
die?
make it because that'll make your survival it'll make your survival
I learned that in school.
efficiency down.
Look,
because
I learned that in school.
no.
Filtering your pee. That was one of the surviving tactics that we learned.
You'll take some percentage down from your survival because you're gonna get sick.
And pee
Once you get
doesn't,
sick.
pee doesn't kill you, only shit.
You said only shit.
Yeah, pee don't kill you, it just makes you sick. Only shit does.
That's disgusting.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.